Hello student, today I will tell you about the editing. What is overlapping editing? In film, overlapping editing is a cinematic techniques in which the action of scene extend so as to stretch the action beyond a specific duration. To increase importance of the event taking place during that period. What is use of overlapping editing? The techniques are used to create various viewpoints and to generate dramatical effect among the audience. It is common for overlapping editing or overlapping action to be used to achieve the illusion of large of time through the intercutting of shots. Shooting overlapping action. The camera operator will capture a series of shots among the scene from several different angles. This is generally achieved with multiple cameras that are each positioned to capture the action from a particular viewpoint. These clips are then pieced together in editing to produce a final product, which is called an action edit or continue edit. Continue editing is a process in film and video creation of combining more or less related shots or different components cut from a single shot. Remember, single shot cut from a single shot into a sequence to direct viewers' attention to a pre-existing consistency of story across both time and physical location. Now I will show you continue editing, overlapping editing. I will show you. Now see, this is one shoot video. Continue editing single shot. This is a here. This is my shot and I will cut from here. I will cut from here. And here. See, continue editing is a process in the film video creation of combining more or less related shot. Overlapping editing is a technique which is the action of the scene extend. Remember point, the action of the scene extend. Now this scene I want to extend. See the continue editing. See this scene I want, not this scene I want again. See this one scene, effect controller, scale and this one and scale it more and down the position here and here, here little bit zoom, reduce and position here. And now see this is a same scene, but I am cutting and I am extend my same scene from different viewpoints. See, I want to enhance this scene more in my film. Now I want to extend this scene more. See now this scene, and now this scene again this scene. Now this scene again. This is a continue editing, overlapping editing. This scene. Now this scene and rate stretch. You can use rate stretch also if you want to extend again and again, and duration also you want to extend, and you can use this. From here you can use also scale, frame size, ripple, delete, edit original, frame hold, and speed and duration. Duration you can increase from here. Okay, now see, I did increase. Now see, little bit you can use here this scene, and it is doing jump. Now what you can do, now this effect, see the effect. Now see the scene. Now the scene, see. This is a continue editing. You can this is a rate stretch. You can use in continue editing rate stretch and rolling and ripple. Rate stretch, extend your scene, extend your action. Rolling, it will fill the gap.